attente pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 12:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, November 17th, 2013. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for a wind warning is continued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County, Chatham, Kent, Rondeau Park, Sarnia, Petrolia, Western Lambton County, and Watford, Pinery Park, Eastern Lambton County. Environment Canada has issued squall watch for Lake St. Clair, Southern Lake